doesn't really make any difference on how fast I'm going or if I'm hitting the brakes. If I'm moving, it's squeaking. See, I can slow down. Oh, well, I tapped the brake and it kind of went away. But I stopped, I pulled over, and I checked my brake pads, and it looked like the outside life was plenty. So maybe the inside of the brake pad is all the way gone. The brakes feel fine. But something's going on. So I just picked up Cookout. So I'm gonna get to the house, eat, let the brakes cool off, and then I guess I'm gonna pull the wheel off and see if I can figure out what in the world is causing that noise. Like, so I don't know how good y'all can hear it, but like it just came out of nowhere. So I'm curious to see if the inside of the brake pad is worn out or if it's something else. But like that's embarrassing. Pull these pads off, see what we got. Give me what you got for a pork chop. Whoop. Alright, so don't nothing look out of place on the pad. The inside pad, you could tell that something was right there because you see a line going all the way through. Oh, I can still hear it. So what's that? You hear that? So that's the noise. I don't know what y'all can see back there. What the hell? The backing plate. What the hell? How? Alright. This is stupid. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all in there. See, sometimes I'll be wondering. Sometimes I'll be wondering why stuff be happening. But I see, and I don't know if I can. It's a. I don't know what that is. It's like a piece of the backing plate or something is coming in contact with the back of the rotor, but I should be able to just put a screwdriver in there and push it back out. I don't know if y'all can see it. Do y'all see this little piece of metal of that backing plate is actually hidden the inside of the rotor of this piece right here. So hold on, this sucks, but if you see this piece right here, there's a piece that looks like it's coming in contact. So I just bent that out. So I took this little piece right here and I bent it outwards. Oh, look at that. Can y'all see that? Y'all see this shit right there? It's a rock. It's the rock, you bastards. It's a rock. So when I was saying that I saw a line on the rotor, that's where I saw the line from. It's a rock right there. It's a rock. It's always me. It is always me. Every single time. Alright. So if I take this, or is it not? Oh, so it don't want to come out. It has a new home. It doesn't want to come out. Alright. Zip tie. I feel like between zip ties and a hammer, those are the answers to those things. Where you go? Here he is. And there's the culprit. A rock with a shiny side from hitting on my road. Alright, and just like that, no more noise. So yeah, sometimes it's just a little pebble that's in your way. So, if you have that issue, then that's what it possibly could be. Could just be a little rock got up in there, you know. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, get it put back together. Like everything you do, think, build, enjoy. Peace.